How to activate stars on Facebook. Let's get started. So if you want to start earning money from Facebook stars but don't see the option yet, here's how you can activate it. So Facebook stars is available for eligible creators, and once activated, your followers can send you stars during live content and videos. So start by opening Facebook application in your mobile device, and just like that, log in to your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon, then select Professional Dashboard. Inside here, tap on Monetize, and just like that, look for stars. If you see it, you are eligible to activate it. Simply tap onto it, then simply tap on Set Up or Get Started. You can simply follow the on-screen instruction. This usually includes agreeing to terms and setting up your payout account. To receive money, you will need to connect a payout method, enter your bank or payment detail, and complete verification. Once activated, you can earn stars during live streams, reels, and eligible content. Viewers can send stars and you will earn money from them. If you don't see stars option, your account may not meet Facebook eligibility requirement yet. Keep posting constantly and follow monetization guidelines. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.